Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Naaz Ali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a Mangalorean's favorite Poori Bhaji. This is also my kids' absolutely favorite, so let's get started. Preparing the puri dough. So I actually started by mixing 1 bowl of wheat flour with 4 teaspoons of semolina, but unfortunately I missed recording that part. Sorry. I added little semolina because it gives the puris a nice crispy texture, and that's my small tip for perfect puri. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of salt and a little water at a time to make a medium soft dough, just like chapati dough. Spread a little oil on top, make small balls out of it, and keep them covered to rest. Let's prepare the bhaji. Everyone makes bhaji in different styles, but today I will show you my style of making it. Heat some oil in pressure cooker, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few chopped curry leaves, 1 slit green chilli, and 1 medium chopped onion. Saute until it's turned translucent. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and cook well. Add 1 small tomato and cook till soft. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of bone chicken masala powder. I personally love this bone brand chicken masala. Other brand don't give the same taste, so I prefer this one. Add big cube of potato, some green peas and about 1 glass of water. Close the cooker lid and cook for 3 whistles. Once it's done, mash it slightly using a spoon or masher. Add a little hot water if needed to adjust the consistency. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Your tasty bhaji is ready. Now let's fry the puris. I have already kept oil to heat on one side. For rolling puris, we Mangaloreans commonly use a pathiri press. I place a small piece of plastic sheet on it, put one dough ball on top, cover it with another plastic sheet, and press it to a round shape. Now it's ready to fry. Fry it in medium hot oil. Press gently and pour some oil from the sides. Cover the puris so it's puff up beautifully. Repeat the same for all puris. And that's it. Our Mangalorean Poori Bhaji is ready to serve. Do you love Poori Bhaji too? Comment below and let me know. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Naazalivlog and Recipes for more exciting and delicious recipe. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.